In this video, I'll show you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. This is really useful if you have different game libraries or use family sharing. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app. If you don't have it yet, download and install it from the official Steam website. Once it opens, click the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. After logging in, go to the top left corner and click on Steam. A menu will appear. Click on Change Account. Confirm your choice by ticking the box and clicking Continue. Steam will now restart. This is normal. Once it reopens, you'll see the login screen again. Click Add Account, then enter the details for your second account and sign in. Now both accounts are saved on your computer, and you can easily switch between them anytime using the Change Account option. That's it! You can now manage multiple Steam accounts without hassle. If this helped, feel free to check out more tutorials like this. Happy gaming!